Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing 4 natural ways to tighten your V area fast. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So guys, these 4 methods I'm about sharing are 100% natural. They are very effective and are safe, okay? So don't skip this video because you benefit a lot from it. And guys, I hope you understand what I mean by the V area. I'm calling it out because I don't want this video to be taken down by YouTube. So guys, the first method I'll be sharing with you all is with the Bhagavata Powder. Bhagavata, also known in English as the acacia, is very effective when it comes to tightening the V area. You may have heard before now that it tightens the V area, but you don't know how to use it to achieve what you want. I'll be telling you that now. All you need to do is to get a very good soft Bhagavata powder and mix it with honey, and make sure it is very sticky. Then you insert it. It is a very good herbal tightener. You can as well mix the powder with a Vaseline. Using this method, you start seeing changes in a maximum of 4 to 5 days. The second method I'll be sharing is with cloves. All you need to do is to get your cloves, put them in a small bottle, add water and leave it for about 3 days. You will notice the water changing to brown. You use the water in washing the V area. It is very effective as well, and besides tightening, it is very good in treating the V area odor. So the third method I'll be sharing with you all is with honey and the traditional henna, which we also know as lali. This tightening combination is very common in the north. The lali has a secretive feature of tightening the V area. All you need to do is to mix it with honey and insert it. Then you leave it for like 2 hours before washing. But it's best to be inserted at night so that when you wake up in the morning, you wash the V area with warm water. This method as well is very effective and you get results super fast. The last method I'll be sharing with you all is with alum. Taking seed bath with alum is not advisable, although it tightens the V area very well, but it dries it up. So the best way to use alum for tightening is to put the alum in a bottle, add water and let it dilute before using it to wash the V area. You use it just once daily and you are good to go. It tightens the V area like crazy, guys. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help the channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video.